safety off and shoot. Shoot. Safety back on. Safety back on? You sure? I didn't see you put it back on. Okay. Okay, follow me. Gun barrel up, follow me.
It's the one I really want to shoot a hunt.
Okay. Hey, whatever works for you, buddy. Come over. Okay, come over here. Come over here and get ready to shoot. Okay, get your gun out. Stop right here. Get your gun out. Take the safety off. There goes Grandpa. There goes Grandpa. Oh no, we're gonna go after it. Don't worry about anybody else right now, because they're counting on you to hit it if it gets up. Oh, he might be on the hunt. Get ready. Look down at your safety. Yeah, get your finger on there and get ready to take it off. There you go. Take the safety off and shoot. It's a pheasant. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Atta boy. Well done, H. Very well done. You're good. Thank you, sir. That was a big cock bird.
I actually didn't really aim that right.
That's okay.
I aimed like right behind it.
You were good enough. All right, I'm going to get a little thing out here.
You're just getting ready to, you're learning how to shoulder the gun, how to shoot the gun.
All right, Michael, we want to see you do some damage, brother. Right in front of Michael. Right in front of Michael. He's pointed. Nice! Woo! Excellent! Way to go! Was that Michael or Joey? Way to go, Joey! Who dog? That was killer. Nice. Very nice. Here comes the dog with it. Oh, get ready, H. Keep up. Okay. Have to keep up, okay? A little left. Come towards me. Okay, keep coming towards me. All right, get ready. Take your safety off. Safety off. Safety off. Shoot. 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 Atta boy. Atta boy. Wait, watch it. Give me 5. My brother of another mother. Very well done. Since we're really tight in here, be really careful it comes up. But be ready. This may happen quickly. You understand? You understand? Okay. That dog goes in the point. Turn sideways, get your safety off, and your gun ready to shoot. Get it? Okay. Get ready. Get ready. Okay. Now straight up, are you ready? Huh? Okay.
Well, you guys stay where you're at right now. I'll take him over there so we can pick it up.
Okay, sounds good. It may come our way to fly into the wind. Okay? What's up, bud? Yeah, you're almost done anyway, so. Oh, less than that. About a quarter of a mile. Okay, get ready. I bet you it's going to get up in front of Grandpa any second. You'll pick up the bird easy, Hunter. If you need to take your eyes off the bird to get your safety off, do it. Because when you look back up, you'll pick up the bird easy. Oh, that dog might be pointing. Okay. Safety off. Safety off. It's coming at you. Shoot it. Shoot it. Take your time and shoot it. Yes! Way to go! Hunter didn't shoot. Yes, that was you. Way to go, Michael. I got it. Thank you. Thank you. I'm taking the hammer off. Well done. Go congratulate Michael. Give him a 5. That's fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Crunch and munch. Chihuahua.